Are you struggling to improve your English language skills? Whether you're a non-native speaker or a native speaker looking to enhance your communication abilities, mastering the English language can be a challenge. Improving your English language skills doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. Read English every day. Reading is one of the most effective ways to enhance your vocabulary, grammar, and comprehension skills. Write in English every day. Writing is another great way to improve your English language skills. Speak in English every day. Speaking in English is crucial if you want to improve your conversational skills. Listen to English every day. Listening to English is just as important as speaking, reading, and writing. Learn a new word every day. Expanding your vocabulary is essential if you want to improve your English language skills. Read English grammar books. Reading English grammar books can help you understand the rules of grammar and usage in English. Read English classics and literature. Reading English classics and literature can help you expand your vocabulary and comprehension skills. Write essays and papers in English. Writing essays and papers in English can help you practice your writing skills and apply your grammar and vocabulary knowledge. Use grammar and vocabulary apps. There are many grammar and vocabulary apps available that you can use to enhance your skills. Some of the most popular ones include Duolingo, Memrise, and Quizlet. These apps offer interactive exercises, quizzes, and games that can help you learn and practice English in a fun and engaging way. Participate in English writing contests. Participating in English writing contests can help you improve your writing skills and boost your confidence. Using technology to your advantage. Language learning apps and tools. In today's digital age, there are many language learning apps and tools available that can help you improve your English language skills quickly and effectively. Here are some of the most popular ones. Duolingo. Duolingo is a free language learning app that offers interactive exercises and games to help you learn and practice English. Memrise. Memrise is another popular language learning app that uses flashcards and memory techniques to help you learn and remember new vocabulary. Quizlet. Quizlet is a web-based learning platform that offers flashcards, quizzes, and games to help you learn and practice English. Grammarly. Grammarly is a writing assistant tool that helps you improve your grammar, spelling, and punctuation. Google Translate. Google Translate is a free online translation tool that allows you to translate text and speech from one language to another. While Google Translate is not 100% accurate, it can be a useful tool for quick translations and understanding the meaning of words and phrases. Watching and listening to English media, TV shows, movies, podcasts, and music. Watching and listening to English media is a fun and effective way to improve your English language skills. Here are some of the best types of English media to consume. TV shows. Watching English TV shows is a great way to immerse yourself in the language and learn new words and expressions. Movies. Watching English movies is another fun way to improve your English language skills. Podcasts. Listening to English podcasts is a great way to practice your listening and comprehension skills. Music. Listening to English music is a fun way to improve your English language skills and expand your vocabulary. Joining English language clubs or groups. Joining an English language club or group is a great way to practice your conversational skills and meet new people. Conversation clubs. Conversation clubs are groups of people who meet regularly to practice their conversational skills in English. Language exchange programs. Language exchange programs are designed to pair you with a native English speaker who is learning your native language. Meetup groups. Meetup groups are social groups that are organized around a specific interest or activity. Toastmasters clubs. Toastmasters clubs are public speaking clubs that help you improve your communication and leadership skills. Practicing with a language exchange partner or tutor. Practicing with a language exchange partner or tutor is one of the most effective ways to improve your English language skills. Use language exchange websites and apps. Some of the most popular ones include italki, Tandem, and Lingoda. Join Facebook groups. Attend language meetups. Hire a tutor. You can find English tutors online or in your local community, and work with them to develop a personalized learning plan that suits your needs and goals. Immersing yourself in an English-speaking environment. Immersing yourself in an English-speaking environment is one of the most effective ways to improve your English language skills. Travel to an English-speaking country. Attend English-speaking events. Volunteer in English-speaking organizations. Work in an English-speaking environment. Working in an English-speaking environment can help you become more comfortable using English in a professional setting.